my name is Jessie, and today is my very first cooking video, so I'm very excited. So today we're going to be cooking orange sweet cinnamon rolls by Pillsbury. Now before we get started, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. So for my oven, you're going to push bake, and then you're going to change the temperature to 375, and then start. So now what we're going to do is we're going to lightly spray our pan with Crisco, so later it's going to be easier for it to take out. So, wow. Oh, it helps if you open it. Just like that. Oh, it smells buttery. And so now we're going to, there's a little tab opening right here, so we're going to pull it until it pops open. Just like that. And so now they're already pre-cut, the cinnamon rolls, so we're just going to take them out. And what we're going to do is spread them apart, spread them 2 inches apart from each other. And this serves for 8 people. And make sure you wash your hands, because if you're eating it with other people, they're not going to like that. So just take them apart. And we're going to evenly spread them apart. And it also comes with icing. Get out. And we're done. And it looks like it's already preheated. So now we're going to put them in the oven. And wear your mitten. And you may need a parent for this part, because you want to make sure you don't get burnt. And now we're going to set the timer, and I'm going to use my phone to set it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes and start. Or you can also use your oven timer. We'll be right back. Hey, we're back. And so now I'm just going to put my oven mitt on, and we're going to check on them to see how well they're doing right now. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells so good. And so now we're going to wait for the remainder of the time.
Go.
And the timer's done. So now it's time to ice these babies. So carefully take them out. Ooh, wow, they smell really good. And so we are going to ice them with this orange smelling icing. And now you can just put as much as you want on here, but I don't recommend putting all of this on one roll. So I'm just gonna put a glob on each one. Ooh, wow. And when we're done, these are going to taste so good. Now we're just going to kind of quickly spread this on, so it's quicker to eat them, faster to eat them. Oh wow, and the icing's already melting on top of it. Now we just have a little more icing left. I'm just gonna put this on this one. And we're done with the icing. So we're gonna put these aside. And now we're going to put this on a plate so it can cool down. And I'm just using this so I don't burn my hand if I try to pick it up. Ooh. Okay. And once you're done putting these on this plate, your family is just gonna run down here and grab them and just eat them all because they smell so delicious. And I can already hear my brother trying to come downstairs. So now we're done, and we're gonna I recommend before eating these, we're gonna wait for about 5 minutes. And that's all for today. Come watch my next video.